So you've got goals, huh? Big dreams, grand plans? Well, if you want to absolutely guarantee you'll never achieve a single one of them, listen closely. I've got the definitive guide. First rule: keep your goals fuzzy. Don't write them down. Don't make them specific. Just have a vague idea floating around in your head. The hazier the better. That way you'll never actually know what you're aiming for. Second, and this is crucial, master the art of perpetual postponement. Always say, I'll start tomorrow, or next week, or next month. Your dreams are safe in the future where they can't be hurt by reality. Third, and this one's a classic, obsess over the perfect conditions. Don't even think about starting until everything is absolutely 100% ideal. Perfectionism isn't about doing things well, it's about giving yourself an excuse not to do them at all. Fourth, and this is where most people falter, but not you, cultivate a deep, abiding fear of failure and success. Failure is embarrassing, right? So don't try anything that might not work. But here's the twist. Success is also scary. It means more responsibility, more expectations. So stay safe in your current comfortable unachieving state. And finally, my favorite, blame everything and everyone else. Never ever take personal responsibility, because if it's always someone else's fault, then you're powerless to change anything. Follow these rules religiously and I promise you, you'll achieve absolutely nothing you set out to. You'll wake up years from now exactly where you started, wondering why your life didn't turn out differently. So are you signing up for this guarantee? Or are you ready to break every single one of these rules?